My mom was actually a paralegal when I was growing up. I really liked it. I liked going to work with her and, working on files, working on different kind of stuff. I actually liked answering the phone, believe it or not, as a kid. The reason I became a paralegal was because my mom was actually a paralegal when I was growing up. She would take me to work. She worked for a criminal defense attorney. I would go to court with her all the time and would watch the attorney, and actually got really inspired to actually become an attorney. Saw what my mom did. I really liked it. I liked going to work with her and, working on files, working on different kind of stuff. I actually liked answering the phone, believe it or not, as a kid. And so I thought it would be a really good stepping stone to start off as a paralegal and then work my way up, go through college, go through law school, and eventually become an attorney. A brief overview, I actually enlisted in the Marines in 2017, and that's actually what I kind of stemmed my job off of. I went into the administrative field and actually progressed into the legal field. I did my schooling in North Carolina, and then when I got back from North Carolina, I came here, started working for a criminal defense attorney in Conroe, and he actually kind of taught me the ropes, kind of the basics of everything, like even what's the cause number on a document, what the parties are, et cetera, et cetera. Then I actually went and worked for a private investigator, did some administrative stuff with him, learned the ins and outs of investigating, and then he actually introduced me to the first attorney I worked for, who was a sole practitioner, meaning it was just him in his office. He did a lot of things, but he specialized in family and criminal, and that's where I really kind of picked up the niche there, kind of self-taught, but he also kind of guided me on the same way, and I worked for him for about a year and a half, and I bounced around from attorney to attorney until I went to Allstate, actually worked in their legal department. I worked there for almost 2 years, and then I went to an outside counsel for Progressive, and where I actually got the second title as paralegal technically, but it was my first real time of being a paralegal. I worked in insurance defense for a total of about 3 years, and then I came here to Bryan Fagan. And then here, I pretty much do all of the criminal stuff with my attorney Haley, and we handle a bunch of family cases and stuff ranging from divorces, custody battles, child supports, adoptions, etc. And yeah, it's been fun. The most practice area I'm most fond of is probably adoptions. That's actually one of the reasons I wanted to specialize in family in the beginning, was when I was working for the first attorney I ever worked for, we were in court one day and I actually got to see an adoption in Montgomery County, and it was really nice. They had the adoptive family down there, they had the children, and at the end of it was pretty short and sweet. At the end of it, the judge actually came down from the bench, all the court staff, bailiff came down with the family, took pictures, they had cake in the courtroom. It was a really, really happy day, and that's actually what got me interested, and really my most favorite topic and I guess practice area of family law is trying to get people into homes, or people that are or children that are in the foster system, or children that are in needing of a loving home, and trying to have the best interests of children and trying to help them out more than anybody. So the methods I use is, there's a lot of people that like to beat around the bush in the world, and I don't like to be that one. I like to be the person that I'll be blunt with my clients, and a lot of my clients like that. I won't sugarcoat anything. I'll tell them how it is, but I really try to listen as well, just so I can give them the best information that they're looking for, make things clear, and I really try to make sure that my clients are confused or have questions or anything like that, that I make sure I take the time to make it clear, and so they leave there with more answers than they do questions. Everyone that's looking to do some kind of family law or criminal law or estate planning should choose the law office of Bryan Fagan, because we have the most diverse set of attorneys that I've come across. People have come with all kinds of different backgrounds from different aspects of law here. We have people that have practiced in different states that bring different sorts of niches and specialties. So if you're looking for someone that has a specific set of skills or something that can fit your needs specifically, I'm sure there's someone here that can be your perfect match, that can give you exactly what you want, that's better than any of these other firms that are around here.